Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this tutorial is for people that don't know how to braid, that don't know how to section neatly, that don't know how to even cornrow neatly. This hairstyle is for you, baby. You want something natural? Keep watching. So guys, this is actually how my hair is looking like. Yes, baby, this hairstyle is for short, long, natural, permed, any kind of hair. As you all can see, like the front of my hair is longer than the back of my hair. So yes, this hairstyle is basically for everybody. You just need to know how to do it. So for this particular hairstyle, you want to have three sections. The first section is this section I'm actually sectioning out. You would need your center part or your middle parts or your side parts. And for those of you that want side parts, that is what you section out first. You section out the side parts first. But me, I want to always have my middle part, so I did this middle section. And I would also show you guys a way of having a center part and a middle part, sorry, a center part and a side part with your outside leave out. Okay, so I'm braiding down this section, and that will be the section I'll be doing for my outside parts, the leave out. You can bring out as much as possible. So this hairstyle is how you like it. It's if you want it to be full, if you want it to be little, if you want it to be medium, if you want it to be as natural as possible, it's just left to you. Now I'm braiding down those sections, and I'm going to come back to the I'm going to braid the rest at the back of the camera. So guys, now like I said earlier, I was going to show you guys how to do a center a middle part and a side part if you want both parts. Okay, so you see I already had a center part already. Now I would section out the part, the side where I want my side parting to be, and that is there. That is where I did my side parting. So when you section that part out, you want to like um braid it down so that it doesn't get in your way, and that is what you see me do right there. So guys, that's the center, side, and the leave out. I also have another section at the back just for whenever I want to do or however I want to pack my hair. So I'm braiding my hair, and like I said earlier, this hairstyle you really, in fact, I would say you don't even need a clean pattern, because if you want it to be as natural as possible, you need to have like big braids, or like, it doesn't have to be clean. So I wouldn't advise you to do it as clean, like a professional. But I would always advise you to do it this uneven kind of way, because I'll be showing you the reason why just shortly after I'm done braiding and securing my ends, my braid ends. So guys, this is how I secure my braid ends, just in case you don't know, and if you don't want to use the needle and thread, I just use the crochet pin to drag it inside my braids. I do it like crisscross. I don't just do it straight up. I do it left and right, and this is the expression spring twist hair I'm going to be using. It's literally a Mali hair, but this hair is really nice. I'm not like advertising, but like I really love the hair. It's soft. I would always recommend this hair. So guys, this is how I did it. I did it like a regular crochet. I'm sure you guys know how to crochet, and if you don't know how to, I have a very detailed tutorial in my videos. So now you see that I'm pointing at the outside part of the braid, meaning the not even the actual braid, like the just the hair itself on the scalp. You could do that as well, like just place your braids there just to make it more natural, because as you all can see, my braids are really very scanty and it's not even going to be full. So in order to have a very full, this hair actually is a full hair regardless of how you place your crochet. But your hair your hair is also going to add to the fullness of the crochet hair of the style. So basically, guys, this is really what you just keep seeing in the next clips. I would show you guys how to close your how to close the space you're seeing. You guys will be like, oh, it's too big, it's too scanty. How are you gonna close the space? I'm gonna show you guys how to close the space. It's very like just seeing the video is self-explanatory. I don't really need to talk or do no voiceover. So I'll show you how to close your space. I'll show you how to make it fuller, and I would show you how to do all other things. If you want to skip this part to that part, that is fine by me, and that is very fine. So guys, if you love this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I love you guys. Thank you. See you guys at the end of the video.